Okay guys, we gonna use Blynk app to control our NodeMCU board. Before that, you have to download this app from Play Store. After that, you have to sign in your Gmail account in this app. Then click the new project and type your project name and select the board and click the create button. This art token is sent to your Gmail account. Then you have to paste the art token in your Arduino code and slide. You may see many items, but for our projects we gonna use buttons. You may need 4 buttons. Then click the button. Here you want to type your button name. I just typing D1. Then you have to select your pin and turn it as switch. This method we are gonna use for all buttons. Okay guys, for our NodeMCU project we have to change the preference in our Arduino IDE, so that we have to go to GitHub. After that, you can see installing with board manager. In this area you can see this line and copy this URL. Then go to your Arduino IDE, open file and click the preference here. Don't worry guys, I already pasted the URL here, so it looks like this. If you are new, this place will be blank. Then you have to paste the URL. And open the tools and go to board manager and just type ESP and you can find the board here. Here also I already installed the board, so it looks like this. If you don't, please install the board and it will take some time. Okay. And again, now you can find the NodeMCU board here. And just click it. After that, just again go to GitHub, because we are using the Blynk app, so we have to download some Blynk libraries. Follow my steps. Okay, click here. Just extract the zip as a file and copy it to our Arduino library. After copied, you can see the blynk and go to the include library. Here you can see the blynk. Then start your coding. Here the character auth. Here we have to paste the auth token which the blynk app will send in your Gmail account. And here the character SSID. Here you have to give your Wi-Fi name and the character pass. Here you have to give your Wi-Fi password. And this is the auth token which the blynk app will send in our Gmail account. You may see here. And just copy the auth token and paste in the character auth. Before testing your project, please check your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is on in your mobile.